Tom, look at this.
What is it?
It's a rainbow, a paper rainbow.
Oh, how beautiful. It has so many colors.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
That's perfect, because today we're talking about colors.
And shapes too.
Colors, shapes, and more.
This is going to be fun.
Let's start. So, Lucy, what's your favorite color?
Let me think. I like blue.
Blue is beautiful.
Yes, the sky is blue, the ocean is blue.
Me too, I love blue.
Really? What's your favorite blue thing?
The sky. I look at the blue sky every day.
That's wonderful. What about you, Tom? Do you like other colors?
Yes, I like green too.
Green like grass.
Exactly. Green like grass and trees.
Colors are everywhere.
You're right. Let me look around this room.
What do you see?
I see red. I see yellow. I see white.
Where do you see red?
This book is red.
Oh, yes, and I see a yellow pen on my desk.
Colors are so useful for describing things.
Absolutely. I have a student named Yuki.
Oh? Tell me about Yuki.
Yuki wanted to practice colors every day. She looked at things in her house and said the colors out loud.
That's a great idea.
Yes, she said. The door is brown, the cup is white, the chair is black.
So she practiced like this every morning?
Exactly. Now she knows all the colors. I'm so proud of her.
That's wonderful. Let's practice some colors together.
Good idea.
Red,
Red,
blue,
blue,
yellow,
yellow,
green.
green.
What color is the sun?
The sun is yellow.
And what color is grass?
Grass is green.
Perfect. Now, let's talk about shapes.
Oh, I love shapes. Let me look around the room.
What shapes do you see?
I see a circle. The clock is a circle.
Good. What else?
This table is a rectangle.
Yes, it is. Rectangles are everywhere.
The window is a rectangle too.
You're right. What about this paper?
It's a square.
Exactly. Do you see any triangles?
Let me think. Oh, this roof in the picture is a triangle.
Great job. I have a student named Sofia.
Tell me about Sophia.
Sophia loves shapes. She walks around her city and looks for shapes everywhere.
That sounds fun.
Yes, she sees circles, squares, and triangles all around her.
Where does she find them?
Windows are rectangles, wheels are circles. Some buildings have triangular roofs.
That's so cool.
One day, Sophia told me, "Tom, shapes are everywhere." I was so happy.
What a great observation.
Now Sophia describes everything she sees.
That's excellent practice.
Let's practice some shapes together.
Yes.
Circle,
Circle,
square,
square,
triangle,
triangle,
rectangle.
rectangle.
What shape is a door?
A door is a rectangle.
And what shape is a clock?
A clock is a circle.
Wonderful. Now, let me ask you something.
What is it?
Can we use colors and shapes together?
Oh, yes, that's a great idea.
How do we do that?
It's easy. We can say a red circle.
Or a blue square?
Exactly. Let me try. I have a yellow pencil.
Good. I see a green book.
This paper is a white square.
The sun is a yellow circle.
Oh, I love that. The sun is a yellow circle.
My friend Priya practices like this.
How does Priya practice?
She describes everything she sees using colors and shapes.
That's smart.
Yes. She says, I see a red car. I see a blue circle. I see a green triangle.
So she combines the color and the shape.
Exactly. She describes everything around her.
What a wonderful practice method.
I know. When she walks down the street, she practices English.
That's free practice. Anywhere, anytime.
Yes, you don't need a teacher or a classroom.
Just your eyes and your voice.
Priya told me this helped her so much. Now she can describe things easily in English.
Let's try some more examples.
Okay, what do you see?
I see a brown rectangle. It's the table.
I see a white circle. It's a plate.
I see a red square. It's this book.
This is so useful.
Yes, you can describe anything now.
Colors and shapes are such important words.
We use them every single day.
At home, at work, everywhere.
And they're easy to learn.
Just practice like Yuki, Sofia, and Priya.
Look at things around you.
Say the colors.
Say the shapes.
And put them together.
Before you know it, you'll be describing everything in English.
You're doing great.
Keep practicing.
Let's review some important phrases.
Great idea.
What color is it?
What color is it?
It's red.
It's red.
It's blue.
It's blue.
It's yellow.
It's yellow.
I see a circle.
I see a circle.
I see a square.
I see a square.
It's a red circle.
It's a red circle.
It's a blue square.
It's a blue square.
What's your favorite color?
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
My favorite color is green.
Colors are everywhere.
Colors are everywhere.
Shapes are everywhere.
Shapes are everywhere. Great job today.
You learned so many colors.
And shapes too.
Now you can describe things in English.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.